Hello students, in this class now we will check if some conditions of ellipse are given, then how we will calculate the equation of ellipse, because when the equation of ellipse is given and then if we have to find the coordinate of focus, everything we did there. Okay, now we have to do the opposite. Some conditions will be given how to frame the equation of ellipse. So in that also you have to remember two things only. You have to remember whether the major axis is along x-axis or whatever informations are given, that is along x-axis or along y-axis. Accordingly only you have to write the equation of ellipse. Okay, so shall we start? Okay. Now write down the question. Find the equation of ellipse in the following conditions. Find the equation of ellipse in the following condition. In that, first question is given length of major axis. Length of major axis is equal to 20. Foci is equal to 0, plus or minus 5. Okay. Length of major axis is given and foci is given. Now you can check. Your foci is on which axis? Is on y-axis. Then what we will write? Equation of ellipse. In this case we know if you will write then confusion will not come. That's why I am saying when you are getting your foci or whatever is given on y-axis, you write down the equation in this way. X square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Why I am saying? Because if you will not write this one, it's obvious that you will do the mistake at last. When you will write the equation, you will write the normal equation, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So that's only I am saying to avoid the confusion. Before only you can write down this will be our equation of ellipse. Now we can check what are the things given. Major axis. Length of major axis is given. And what is the formula for length of major axis? 2a. So 2a is equal to 20 is given. So from here what will be the value of a? 20 divided by 2. So a is equal to 10. So we got the value of a. Now what is given? Coordinate of foci. Foci we are denoting by which letter? Yes, we are denoting it by C. So it is given C is equal to plus or minus 5 there. Okay, so we can take C is equal to 5. Now to get the equation of ellipse, what we need? We need the value of b square. So for that again we have to use the relation. What is that relation? A square is equal to b square plus c square. Now just to substitute the value. A is equal to 10. So a square will be equal to 100. B square we have to calculate. C is equal to plus or minus 5. So C square will be equal to 25. So 100 minus 25 will be equal to 75. So we got here B square is equal to 75. Don't calculate B because in the equation of ellipse we need the value of B square only. So now you can write down the equation. Just write down. What is here we wrote the equation. There you can substitute the value. Equation of ellipse will be equal to x square by 75 plus y square by a square, and a square is how much? 100 is equal to 1. So this much only you have to do. This is the equation of ellipse we got. So I think this is easy only. You can do it easily. Okay. Now we'll check the next question. In the next question it is given vertices plus or minus 5, 0. Vertices, write down, vertices plus or minus 5, 0. Foci plus or minus 4, 0. Foci plus or minus 4, 0. So your major axis is along x-axis. So in that case our equation of ellipse. What will be equation of ellipse? Yes, equation will be equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now we can check what are the information given. Vertices is given. So we are taking the positive value only for calculation. A is equal to 5. Then foci, C is given. C is equal to 4. Now using the relation we can calculate the value of b square. Okay, what is that relation? A square is equal to b square plus c square. Now just to substitute the value, a is equal to 5. So a square will be equal to 25 is equal to b square plus c square will be equal to 16. 16 we can shift here. So 25 minus 16 will be equal to 9. So we are getting b square is equal to 9. So we have the value of a and b now. Now we can write down the equation. So you can write down there equation is equal to x square by a square. What is the value of a square? 25 plus y square by b square. B square is equal to 9 is equal to 1. So our equation of ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So I hope this is clear. Okay. Now we'll check the next question. All these you will get if you know all the things properly there. Okay. If foci is given means that is C. In this way you should know all the things. Now third question is vertices 0, plus or minus 13. Vertices 0, plus or minus 13. Foci 0, plus or minus 5. Vertices 0, plus or minus 13. Foci 0, plus or minus 5. Both are on y-axis. So our major axis is along y-axis. So our equation of ellipse. What will be equation of ellipse? X square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. In this type of question, you have to check this only. What will be the equation of ellipse? Rest everything I think easy only. Okay. So vertices is given means what is given? A is equal to 13 and then C is equal to 5 is given. Again we will calculate the value of b square. Relation is a square is equal to b square plus c square. A square. So 13 square will be equal to 169 is equal to b square plus c square is equal to 25. Now 25 we can shift here, then it will be equal to 169 minus 25. How much will be 169 minus 25? Yes, 144. So we got here b square is equal to 144. Now we can write the equation. So write down equation is equal to x square by value of b square is 144 plus y square by a square. A is equal to 13. So a square will be equal to 169 is equal to 1. Okay. Now in the next question, write down there it is given center at 0, 0. Center at 0, 0 means center at the origin. Major axis on y-axis. Major axis on y-axis and passes through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. This is the only information given. Center at 0, 0 and major axis along y-axis. So major axis is given, that is along y-axis. So in that case we know what will be the equation of ellipse. Yes, equation will be equal to x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Rest all the things not given. Only the information given. The ellipse passes through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. We know if the ellipse passes through the point, then the given point will satisfy the equation of ellipse. So in place of x and y, we will substitute these values. So first one, in place of x we are going to substitute 3 and in place of y we are going to substitute 2. So our first equation will become 3 square. So 9 by b square plus in place of y 2. So it will be equal to 4 by a square is equal to 1. Make it equation 1 not required. So this is the first equation. Now second equation, it passes through this point also. So in place of x 1. So we will get here 1 by b square plus in place of y 6. So 6 square. 36 by a square is equal to 1. So these are the two equations we have. Now we have to solve this equation. So many methods are there to solve the equation. So in that, any easy method we can take there. So if it is written in this way, do you remember any method there? Yes, in 10th class we studied equation reducible to linear equation there. If you want directly, you can calculate from here what is the value of a square and b square. Otherwise, we can write in this way. We'll take 1 by b square as p, because already x, y, a, b, everything we have taken here. 1 by b square is equal to p and 1 by a square is equal to q. Taken 1 by b square is equal to p. So 9 by b square means it is 9 into 1 by b square. So our first equation will become 9p plus 4q is equal to 1. This is the first equation. And second equation, what will come? Second equation will be equal to p plus 36q is equal to 1. Now just to check, it is a linear equation in two variables there. What we can do? We can make the coefficient equal there. How we can make the coefficient equal? Oh, okay. So suppose I am multiplying which equation? I am multiplying this equation by 9. Then 9 4s are 36 will come. That's why. Okay. So what will come here? 81p plus 9 4s are 36q is equal to 1. Now here same equation. P plus 36q is equal to 1. Now what we will do? Do the subtraction there. So when you are subtracting, sign will change. Okay. So now here 9 not written there. 9 will come here. 81p plus 9 4s are 36q. 9 1s are 9. Now when we will subtract, 36q will get cancelled. 81p minus p. So that will be equal to 80p is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. So from here what will come? P is equal to 8 by 80. Not 80 by 8. We are shifting 80 to right hand side. So cancel it. We will get here p is equal to 1 by 10. So we got the value of p. Now we can substitute somewhere. I am writing here. P is equal to 1 by 10. Now we can substitute the value of p in any one of the equation. I think this one will be easy. So I am substituting here. In place of p, 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 plus 36q is equal to 1. Shift 1 by 10 to right hand side. Then we will get 36q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10. Do the cross multiplication. 10 minus 1. 9 by 10. Then q will be equal to 36 will go to denominator. So 9 by 10 into 36. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. So we are getting q is equal to 1 by 40. We got p is equal to 1 by 10. And what we have taken p? 1 by b square. So write down there 1 by b square is equal to, what is the value? 1 by 10. Just to do the cross multiplication, then we will get here b square is equal to 10. And then what is the value of q? 1 by 40 means 1 by a square is equal to 1 by 40. Cross multiplication, then you will get a square is equal to 40. Now we got the value of a and b. Now substitute in the equation of ellipse. So already we wrote the equation. What is that? X square by b square. So write down there. Equation will be equal to x square by b square is 10 plus y square by a square is 40 is equal to 1. So in this way we can calculate the equation of ellipse. So I hope this method is clear to you. Okay. Now we will check the next question. Question number 5. In question number 5, what is the information given? Vertices 0, plus or minus 10. And eccentricity is given. Eccentricity is equal to 4 by 5. Vertices 0, plus or minus 10. Eccentricity 4 by 5. Now again check. Your vertices is along x-axis. So what will be the equation of ellipse? Here only you just write down there. Equation will be equal to, yes, x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Now just to check what is given, vertices means a is given. So we have a is equal to 10. And what is the value of e there formula? E is equal to, yes, c by a. C by a is equal to how much it is given? 4 by 5. Now we know the value of a. So you can substitute the value of a here. Then what will come? C by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Now 10 we can shift to right hand side. Instead of doing the cross multiplication, we need the value of c. So only 10 we can shift to right hand side. Then it will go to numerator. So 10 into 4 by 5. This one you can cancel. So we are getting c is equal to 8. So a is equal to 10 we got, c is equal to 8. A is equal to 10 already given there. Now we can find the value of b square. Relation is a square is equal to b square plus c square. Substitute the value. A is equal to 10. So a square will be equal to 100 is equal to b square we have to calculate, and c is equal to 8. So c square will be equal to 64. 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. So we are getting b square is equal to 36. So now we can write down the equation there. What will be the equation? X square by 36 plus y square by a square is 100 is equal to 1. Okay. Then next question. In the next question it is written eccentricity is equal to 2 by 3. Eccentricity equal to 2 by 3. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is equal to 5. Eccentricity 2 by 3. Length of latus rectum is equal to 5. Again, eccentricity is given means what is given? Yes, c by a. So again write down here it is given c by a is equal to 2 by 3. Now if I am shifting this a here, then what will come? C is equal to 2a by 3. Okay, so we wrote c in terms of a there. Okay, and then what is the information given? Length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum, that is 2b square by a. So 2b square by a is equal to given 5. Now just to shift this a here and this 2 also. So what we will get? B square is equal to 5 into a, 5a, and this 2 will be in denominator. So we are getting b square is equal to 5a by 2. And from here till now we haven't got any value there. Now what we will do? Yes, then next thing which we know, that is equation of relation between a, b and c, that is a square is equal to b square plus c square. A square, we don't know at present anything about a square, so written as it is. B square is equal to how much? Yes, b square is equal to 5a by 2. And what is c square? We wrote here c is equal to 2a by 3. So c square will be equal to 4a square by 9. Correct? Now what we can do? We can shift this 4a square by 9 to left hand side. Then we will get here a square minus 4a square by 9 is equal to 5a by 2. Now just to do the cross multiplication, then what will come? 9a square minus 4a square. So that will be equal to 5a square by 9 is equal to 5a by 2. Now we can shift all the things to left hand side. Then 5a square by 9 minus 5a by 2 is equal to 0. Normally what students are doing, they are cancelling there only. In that case, what the problem will come, that if it is a quadratic equation, it should have two solutions there. Okay, so that's why I have taken to left hand side. Any common factor is there? Yes, we have 5a common. Correct. So inside the bracket here, what will remain? A by 9 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Product of two expressions is equal to 0. This will be possible when one of the expression should be equal to 0. So either 5a is equal to 0 or either 5a is equal to 0 or a by 9 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. A by 9 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. 5a will not be equal to 0 because if 5a is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0. Then we will not get any vertices there. So what is the condition left? This will be equal to 0. So a by 9 is equal to 1 by 2. 9 we can shift there. So we will get a is equal to 9 by 2. So we got the value of a. Now to get the equation of ellipse we need the value of b only. So now we will calculate only the value of b. So here we wrote 2b square by a is equal to 5. So we can shift that a to right hand side. So we will get 5a. Now just to substitute the value, 2b square is equal to 5 into 9 by 2. Now shift this 2 also. Then we will get b square is equal to 45 by 4. Now we will write down the equation. Since no other conditions are given, we will take the standard equation of ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So x square by, what is a square? A is 9 by 2. So a square will be equal to 81 by 4 plus y square by b square is 45 by 4 is equal to 1. Now just to check, x square divided by 81 by 4. So when you will change the division into multiplication, what will happen? 4 will go to numerator. So we will get here 4x square by 81 plus 4y square by 45 is equal to 1. So I hope this question is clear. Okay. Now we will do the next question. Question number 7. In question number 7, it is given foci plus or minus 3, 0. Foci plus or minus 3, 0. And ellipse passes through the point. Ellipse passes through the point 4, 1. Ellipse passes through the point 4, 1. Now focus is given. Focus is on x-axis there. So our equation will be the standard equation, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This will be the equation of ellipse. So first what value is given? C is given here. C is equal to 3. Now next information, the ellipse passes through this point. So this point will satisfy the equation of ellipse. So in place of x and y we can substitute the value. Then what will come? 16 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Now what we will do? We don't have anything to simplify here. Okay. Now here c is given. So somewhere we have to use that concept also. What we know? Yes, we know the relationship there. A square is equal to b square plus c square. Substitute the value. C is equal to 3. Then we will get a square is equal to b square plus 9. So here in place of a square what we can substitute? B square plus 9. Then we will get here 16 by b square plus 9 plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Now what we will do? We will do the cross multiplication. Then we will get 16b square plus b square plus 9 by, here b square will be multiplied by these two. Then we will get b raised to 4 plus 9b square is equal to 1. Now this expression we are shifting to right hand side. Then we will get here 16b square plus b square. So that will be equal to 17b square plus 9 is equal to b raised to 4 plus 9b square. Now we can shift all the expression to right hand side. Then what will come? B raised to 4 plus 9b square minus 17b square minus 9 is equal to 0. So b raised to 4, 9 minus 17. 17 minus 9 will be equal to 8. So here we will get minus 8b square minus 9 is equal to 0. Now here we have to simplify it. How we will simplify? Yes, we will use the concept splitting the middle term. So we want two numbers whose sum should be equal to minus 8 and product should be equal to minus 9. So obviously 9 and 1 only will be, and since it is negative, so we'll write here minus 9. So we'll get here b raised to 4 minus, as the name suggests, split the middle term. So we'll get here minus 9b square plus b square minus 9 is equal to 0. Common factor in these two terms, b square taken outside. Inside the bracket what will remain? B square minus 9 plus here common factor 1. So b square minus 9 is equal to 0. Then we will get here b square minus 9 into b square plus 1 is equal to 0. So either this expression is equal to 0 or this one is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then we will get b square is equal to 9. And here what we will get? B square is equal to minus 1. So at present our equation of ellipse is that. So negative expressions will not come. So this one you can write down, not possible. So what is the value we have? B square is equal to 9. So now we need the value of a square also. So again that relation what we wrote, a square is equal to b square plus c square. Substitute the value. A square is equal to, here b square is 9. Don't write down there again 9 square. Value of b square is 9 and c is given 3. So c square also is equal to 9. So what we are getting here? A square is equal to 18. Now we can write down the equation of ellipse. X square by 18 plus y square by, what is the value of b square? 9 is equal to 1. So this is the standard form of ellipse there. So I hope today's all questions are clear to you. So all of you please note down your homework. Your homework is exercise 11.3. So some questions already we discussed here. So I am giving you that questions which we haven't done there. So I hope these questions are easy. You can do. Okay. Question number 1 to 7. Then question number 12 to 18. And question number 20. Remaining questions we discussed. Question number 1 to 7. Question number 12 to 18. And then question number 20. And in case of any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.